Welcome back to our channel. It's Takara and what's your name?
Zahara.
And today we are going to be unboxing and reviewing the new FUNTOK Chevrolet Corvette C8 kids ride-on car that was sent to us, well, sent to Zahara. It's actually a surprise. She hasn't actually seen it in person yet. So yeah, we're gonna be unboxing, putting it together today and showing y'all how this thing runs. Hopefully we can get out in the sun and let y'all see how it runs before the day is over, by the time we put it together. Hopefully the sun doesn't go down on us. If not, I'll do a second part and y'all probably see us in different outfits. I was super excited when this brand reached out to me to sponsor this video because, funny story, I literally was gonna buy Zahara a ride-on car for her birthday, for her 3rd birthday, and then I ended up changing my mind. So when they reached out to me, I was like, oh my god, I'm so excited. And I'm just shocked. I'm always shocked by the things that brands want to send me and sponsor me for. So this was super excited to get a brand sponsor for not only me but for me and Zahara. So it's super cool. Again, like I said, I was gonna buy this car as a gift. I almost bought it for Christmas and then I was gonna buy it for her birthday, and then I was like, I'm gonna just wait. So like I said, this does make a great gift for like your kids for Christmas, for kids and toddlers, for kids or toddlers, for like any type of like special occasion or gift. If you're trying to give somebody something, I think this makes the perfect gift for kids, especially for this spring and summer. You're trying to get them off of these tablets, off of these phones, get them in the outdoors. This makes for the perfect outdoor gift. So you can purchase this on Amazon. I am going to leave my Amazon link down below if you want to purchase through our link. When you purchase through our link, you can get 15% off. I'm also going to leave my discount code below as well. This car is not only available on Amazon, it's also on sale on Walmart right now as well. But I am going to leave my Amazon link so you can get that 15% off, so that you can get that discount on Amazon. So yeah, let's go ahead and open her up. I'll go through more of the descriptions and functions and features on this car when we put it together and show y'all what it looks like. Are you ready? Yes. Okay, so we're gonna go put it together and we're gonna bring y'all along with us. They come with us. Come along with us. All right, let's go. Okay y'all, so this is the car. We're gonna go ahead and sit y'all down and open this up. You ready? We're ready to see what it looks like inside. Okay, should I get I probably should have got a, what's the name, huh? All right, we're gonna go ahead and open this thing up. Okay, yeah, we want to try not to show our address. Watch out. It's supposed to be a surprise. Ooh, Zahara. Stay right here so they can see you. We gotta take her out of the bed. Ooh, she's heavy. Oh, wait. Wait, let me get her out. Dang, this thing hit. So we're gonna have to, I'm gonna have to flip her over on top of the box. I know. Okay, we're gonna put her on top of the box. Alright guys, so this is the FUNTOK Chevrolet Corvette C8 kids ride-on car. I'm going ahead and flipping over the car to put it together, and I'm going to link the official instruction video on how to put together this car as well in the description box, so that way you guys can watch the instruction video as you're putting this car together like I did. So when you watch the instruction video, you guys will see that I actually started putting my wheels together the wrong way. So I ended up switching my wheels around. Wait, oh, we gotta take the washer out. Take the washer out. Okay, push it. Come on, girl. Let's put this. I think this part goes. Okay, good job. But when applying your wheels, you want to make sure you insert your motors and the wheels whose inner part actually pokes out. Those are your back wheels, and the wheels with the flat center part are going to be your front wheels. So me and Zahara actually had a time. We ended up switching the wheels around because we had got it wrong the first time, but the second time around we got it down pat. Wait, washers are supposed to go this way. Like so. So like I said, the wheels that were attached the wrong way, I went ahead and switched them out correctly, and it all worked out great. So I also attached her Corvette logo pieces in the center of the wheels, and these little button attachments were so cute. They go over your screws and hide your screws so well, and it works out great.
My breath, take it down on one knee, because you really want to hold me when I'm looking good enough. Did you ever fool me? Would you ever picture us? Every time I pull my hair, was me out of fear. You find me ugly and one day you'll disappear.
Give me that wet thing.
The wet thing?
You know what I'm saying?
The wet thing?
The little screwdriver.
Steel thing?
You know what I'm talking about? Okay, we're gonna flip her over. So next I'm attaching the steering wheel, which was super easy to install. I also love this car because it also comes with a built-in music player where you can attach it via USB MP3 Bluetooth. So if you have your phone, you can get a charger, plug your charger in to your phone into the Bluetooth, and you can play either the music that comes onto the car, or you can play your own music coming right off of your phone, which I think is so cool. So you can play your toddlers or your kids' favorite songs and have a ball. So next I went ahead and attached the wing, and then I moved on to the windows. So the windows come with 6 screws, so you just insert them and screw them in. Each window has 3 screws on each side. I also forgot to show you guys that these doors actually open as well, which I thought was super cool. Next, we had to get her motors actually running. So I'm connecting the motor plugs together. Then we're going to go ahead and assemble her seat. My grandpa came in to help screw the seats because your girl was struggling to do so, okay?
sweetest thing, and it don't change. If I had it my way, you would know that you are. You're the coffee that I need in the morning. You're my sunshine in the rain when it's pouring.
And voila, this is the car. This was super easy to put together. Especially if you just follow the video instructions step by step. Now it's time to take her out to ride. Ready, Zahara? Go! Woo! There you go. Come this way. Drive it this way.
There you go.
Go ahead. Go to the street. Go ahead. Good job.
Go on the way.
Zizi, turn. Turn this way, baby.
No.
Babe, turn out of the... Oh my goodness.
Okay, now back up on your car.
Now this car does come with a battery plug charger for longer play of up to 2.5 hours, so you can plug it into the wall and charge it up. And you want to do that before you actually take it out to ride. Charge it up for at least an hour. Now I did let Zahara drive by herself, but if you are concerned about that and you want more driver safety for your child, you can definitely use the parent remote control, which actually has 3 speeds, or you can just let your kids self-drive at 2 speed. And for the controller, you just need to insert 2 AAA batteries. So like I said, this car was great. I think this makes for the perfect outdoor activity for your kids. It's a great replication of the real brand Corvette, from the wheels to the logos to the start button, the pedal, and the construction and the doors of the car. And I love this super cute pink color. This color is everything. So I am going to leave the link to this car in the description box below, and if you use my discount code, you can get 15% off of your car. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. If you guys have any further questions, please leave them in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and me and Zahara will see you in the next one. Bye.